Hi, it's Leah, and welcome to this second lesson of your implementation guide for getting started with CoSchedule. In this lesson, we're going to talk about how you can take back control of your marketing process with your brand new CoSchedule Marketing Calendar. This course is specifically designed for new CoSchedule users who feel like they're wearing too many marketing hats. Maybe you're finding your current situation overwhelming and you're struggling to formalize a process as your marketing responsibilities grow. This is the perfect course to help you get on the path for organization. We're going to talk about 3 or 3.5 different steps in this chapter. The first one is changing the status of a project in your calendar, choosing and implementing your color labels, applying your color labels to your calendar, and also any additional metadata that you can add to your projects. First up, we're going to talk about how to change the status of a project. We talked earlier that there are 4 different statuses in CoSchedule: draft, pending review, scheduled, and published. I'm going to bounce over to the CoSchedule calendar to actually show you how to change the status of one of these projects. I'm going to open up a project on the calendar, and in the top right-hand corner, you will see your project status here, and this project is currently in draft. When this project is completed and is ready to move forward to have a manager approve that project, change it to pending review. When that project is fully completed and it's ready to go live, change it to scheduled. Here you'll see the date and time that post will then be published live on your website or social media channels. Next up, we'll talk about choosing your color labels. We spoke about earlier that there are 5 different ways that marketing teams commonly set up their color labels. And those are color only, by region if your company works in several different regions, by product line if your marketing team usually executes projects that roll up under different product lines, by department or team if your marketing team is divided into different areas, or by client if you are an agency and you commonly execute work on behalf of your clients. I'm going to bounce over to the calendar to show you exactly where you can implement those on your calendar. Toggle down the hamburger menu, choose your name, and then choose the option that says Settings. Here you'll see an area that says Color Labels. You can edit the color labels or customize the color by using the drop-down. The third step is adding your integrations. There are 3 integrations that we recommend adding, which are your social media channels, your email marketing platform like MailChimp or Constant Contact, and your WordPress site if you are using WordPress. To start getting those integrations going on your calendar, toggle down the hamburger menu again, choose your name, and then choose the option that says Integrations. You can add more integrations and choose from the long list of different ways that CoSchedule integrates with other tools. Thanks for joining this lesson. I hope you gained some info in getting started with CoSchedule.